Hi, good morning. My name is Maria, and I am just here just to quickly share with you about my Tech Infused lesson plan and the piece of technology I used in my lesson plan. So we are a first grade class. Our subject is science, and today the standard is explore the law of gravity by demonstrating that Earth's gravity pulls on any object on or near Earth towards it even though nothing is touching the object. So I would basically, just to go over the lesson, the LEQ is what is gravity and how does it interact with objects and people on Earth. So we'd start just by asking the students what are things that people cannot see but are still real. So going through and just seeing, introducing the concept of gravity, even though we don't see gravity, we still know it's real. We would go through vocabulary words. We have a very fun activity for that. In the teaching strategy, students are going to end up watching a video on gravity, and then we're going to jump into them being able to create their own parachutes and out of like tissue, string, balloons, grocery bags, and they're going to be able to experience gravity out of something that they made themselves. So to end and to summarize, the students will create 3 to 5 sentences about gravity. Now that's what I had in my original lesson plan, but if you take the Tech Infused piece, I am using polleverywhere.com, which is a very fun and interactive technology thing that you can use in the classroom. It is anonymous. The teacher creates it. It's super easy. You just log into an account, and then the students, there's like a code that you get, and the students just take their iPhones or smart devices, and they text the code and then the answer to the question that the teacher posts. So I would personally definitely use that in my classroom. I think it's a great way to gauge where students are at, and to see people's answers, my students' answers, they're honest answers because all of the answers are anonymous. So you get a very great general feeling of what you're teaching, how they're feeling. Games, or you can use it for games, but it's all anonymous. So 3 questions are: what is gravity? How does it affect Earth? And can you see it / touch it? Now this is first grade, but I'm pretty sure first grade nowadays knows how to use in text, so that's not a big deal. Now I would not use Pull Everywhere in kindergarten, but I'm pretty sure we could start it in around first grade. Every student nowadays seems to have an iPhone. So basically, instead of having the students write their answers out, they can respond to the question using Pull Everywhere. So the teacher will pull up their account that they made, which is very simple to make. You just log in, use your email, and you say if you're a teacher or a student, because students can also make it, and then you just post it. And you have to activate the account before students can respond in. That is one key piece that even when we've used it, we have missed in the beginning. So the teacher will pull out their Pull Everywhere account while the students retrieve their electronic devices, and then the teacher and students will log in by sending a specific number that's displayed on the screen. It's super easy, super quick. Like, I would totally use this as a ticket out the door. And then the teacher will show one question at a time to each student. So what is gravity? They can answer it. As a class, they will go over the answers and determine the correct answer to the question. So it is a technology-infused piece, but it is also super simple, and your answers pop up on the screen automatically when the students send them in. So it is a very easy and quick way to gauge your students, and to keep them engaged, because all students love technology and being able to use their cell phones. So yep, that is my technology infused lesson plan with my Pull Everywhere Tech Infused piece.